your effort on this achievement. We are giving you one.
Hello guys, this is the CEO of Innocent Vehicles, Chief Innocent Chukwuma, giving out some prizes to his best staff, his best employees during Innocent Vehicles 13th anniversary. He appreciated some of the top performing staff that have contributed to the success of the company over these years. He gave each and every one of them brand new Janchi CD125 to say thank you for your services, thank you for your commitment, thank you for your hard work. You know, things like this should be encouraged among business owners in Igbo land, Nigeria and Africa as a whole. Employees' benefit and recognition goes a long way in making your employees improve in their performances. It can never be overemphasized. So we should know this. I so much commend the CEO of Innocent Vehicles and the management for this idea. I so much commend them for this idea. They should keep it up, and I just hope that other industries, other businesses will learn from it.
One CG,
the best, no more and nothing less. Lead me to my destiny.
I want to Chukwuma. Dixon Sunday also one CG. Dixon Sunday.
Hey, stand.
Ifeyinwa Obamikoro. Ifeyinwa Obamikoro. Yes. And then ladies motorcycle. 100. Innocent and Dixon Sunday, are they here? They should come forward. And then to encourage you to show you that you know all the effort in this country. I think for example, I see she 125. I know you from the design aspects. I try here, I say book one. Maybe you would later, but I can always go later. And because of people are not at the factory, on the weather, with the sign, it's you want to choose. If you are trying to do that, you are trying to be a man of the circle. You will
Samuel, give us.
Okay, that's Samuel. that since you want Daniel Innocent. Daniel Innocent.